On Survival on a Budget Made Easy, we're going to be taking a look at some t-shirts I ordered offline. A guy at work I found out has a TeeSpring site. It's called Lifestyle Designs. If you want to learn about the TeeSpring search from Lifestyle Designs, I'll be right back. Welcome back. Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at some t-shirts I got through TeeSpring on the Lifestyle Designs website. Now, he does have a pretty good selection. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that. Come back and look at the shirts. This is the Lifestyle Designs webpage. Has a promo code EASY10. Use that and get 10% off your order. He does have a pretty decent selection. I know 2021's been long gone. But he has Second Amendment t-shirts. Glassware. Different quotes. He really does have a nice selection and a wide variety. Different styles, crew necks, V-necks. Now what I'll do is I'm going to create a short link. That way I'll put it right in video. If you're watching the video, you can write that down real fast. And I'll have a link to it down in the description box and in the comments section. Here, you can tell wasn't no overspray on it. It's nice and smooth. Now the only issues I really had with this TeeSpring order was the shipping. I ordered one each of, I ordered one of these and one of these. I ended up getting two OD greens and one of these. They were shipped separately. The OD green one was $26.99 minus the $2.70 discount. Shipping was $4.99. Tax was $2.05 for a total of $31.33. The blue one, turquoise one is $26.99 minus $2.70 discount plus $2 shipping plus $1.84 tax. $1.84 tax is $28.13. So apparently, like if you buy one shirt, I'm assuming the shipping is $4.99. Your second one is $2. I'm not sure how they figure it out, or if it was one price and they split it up. I really don't know. But overall, I am pleased with it. It's a good quality shirt. Next Level Apparel. Next Level Apparel. I mean, the shirt doesn't have no snags in it. It looks really good. So overall, now I did email them trying to figure out why I got two of these, because it took me a couple days later till I got this. I never got a return email from them. But it is the holidays, so I'm going to take that into consideration. But overall, I'm quite pleased with these shirts. They turned out really nice. The shipping issue, why they sent me two and didn't return my messages, and like I said, it's the holidays, so I ain't going to be too bad on that. So I'm going to take a point off for what I got, okay? The shipping issue. Like I said, holidays, taking that into consideration. Maybe there was a little bit of confusion, but still, it was an issue. Quality, oh man, like I said, I'm really impressed. I really am. especially for the price. I think he's right on point with what he's charging. So price-wise, it's a 5. Quality of shirt. There's better ones out there, but for what you pay, I think you're getting your money's worth. So that's another 5. The ink, like I said, I'm impressed how it came out. I'm not sure if it's supposed to look like that, like it's supposed to have like a little border around it. So I can't take a point off that. That's another 5. So overall, I'm gonna give this somewhere between a 4 and a 4.5 star rating. Make sure you check out Lifestyle Designs. I'll have a link down below in the description box and in the comment section. And I have a link in the video itself, but it'll be one of the short links. That way if you're watching the video, you can write it down. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and always, thank you for watching.